lot number 21367. The Takeuchi TL10V2 high flow skid steer. Be selling our online equipment auction at SextonAuctioneers.com. The low hour unit. Owner's only selling this machine to upgrade to a TL12. Unit started right up, no problem. A little dirty from loading hay. So far I have not found anything that not works. AC blows ice cold. Quick detach works like it's supposed to. This unit only has 592 or almost 593 hours. We'll go up a little bit. Real smooth hydraulics.
Your voice is super fragile. And
radio works like it's supposed to. AC works like it's supposed to.
Not today, not tomorrow. Go ahead and take the week off. But she's keeping it off tomorrow.
Starts first turn. Check it out, SextonAuctioneers.com.